Codesignal, arcade, databases, personal hobbies. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving personal hobbies. Let's begin. So, you're looking for new friends on the internet. Not necessary information, but you do have the personal hobbies table that has name and the hobbies. And, it's very important to know this column is the data set. This column is of the data type set. Alrighty, so we have this table, like this is an example. If you have a table of people's hobbies, list the name and hobbies and corresponding hobbies they have. The output should be like this. If you want to go and give out, the people who has both sports and readings in their list of hobbies. So based on this information we're given, the only people who have that is Amy. They have both reading and sports, and Lola, who also has reading and sports in her list of hobbies, excuse me. So this is similar to the previous question, actually. Feel free to check that out. I have a huge list of Codesignal MySQL questions that I solved. So I select. I need to select the names that are important from the table of, let's see about this, people hobbies. Now we need to use a where filter of what we are going to choose from. So something when you're using about sets, here's what we have to do. We have to use this and symbol. This and symbol will help us index based on the set we had given here. Oh, we're not given a set. Shoot. So we won't know what the order representation of it would look like. So this one is going to take a lot of actually A/B testing. You have to find out what is the specific order of all these hobbies that are given here below. You'll be lucky if you have an example of all the hobbies that are listed below. And with that one, you can determine the set order of these hobbies. Like for example, we know there's a swimming hobby. And we know in this order, reading and sports are before swimming. Another thing, we know film watching and writing. We don't know what the order of that one is. Let's see if we can find more information. Reading and swimming. Okay, sports, reading, sports, swimming, sports, and painting. Okay, we know painting is after, This is a lot of guessing and checking. So what I would do, I'm going to fail on purpose actually. It's just kind of interesting. So I'm going to run this test here and fail on purpose so you could have an idea of what is the order of these tables. We have this first example, but it's not really much information. We need some more information. Here, I'm going to go ahead and, okay, so I'm going to output this one out right here. I'm going to go and rearrange these so I could find the final order. This is very important because once I find the final order, I'll be able to solve everything else. Alright, I did this quickly. I'm going to guess that this is the right order, but since what we really want is fortunately just reading and sports, what we can agree on is that it's going to be in the index orders, in decimal representations of 1 and 2. What we're trying to do is, since in this set, it's really like, in order to index it, we have to get the decimal representation of the binary index where it is. So for example, we know 1 is reading and 2 is sports. I'm going to go an extra one just so I can illustrate what it is. It's actually going to be 4s next for film watching. And why is that? Why didn't I do 3? That's because the way that it's structured to do when using this bitwise and operator is that we're going to find, for example, the binary representation of reading is actually just 1, like as follows. Next it's going to be like this, 1 0. Next it's going to be this, 0 0 1 0 0. So now you can see this, the order, it's the first, second, and third. You can see how that looks like, and to get the decimal representation, it's going to look like 1, 2, and 4. In this case, we want to get the bitwise representations, and we want people with the hobbies of both reading and sports. Fortunately, it's just 1 and 2, so I could just do it like this, 1 and hobbies, ampersand 2. And I think it has to be sorted by the names of people, so once we got that one, we do order by the names of the people. I think that should be good. Hope this makes sense, guys. This is a little, it's peculiar. I mean, feel free to watch my other video to get more better context as well. That's how it works. And now if I run this, it should work. Awesome. I hit submit. Wow. Hooray! I solved this question. It's a little fishy, I'll be honest. I got it mostly from these beautiful comments here below, so I will not take that credit. These guys, I read like 100 loads of these comments, and that's what helped me got to this point. If you have any questions, post in the comments below, or if you have a better way of solving it, post it in the comments below. And please like and subscribe. I'm planning to transfer my content to be more like, I keep saying this over and over again, and I feel like this is the direction I want to go. Like, what are the 10 principles you got from this movie? What are the 10 principles you got from this video game? And how you can apply these principles to be a developer, a better engineer, or a better QA, better anything in the IT field. I think this is where I want to go. I'm going to A/B test that, and hopefully that works out. I hope you like that content, and hope you like and subscribe to that content as well. Otherwise, you guys have a great day. See you later.